Today, I'm gonna hurt the big bird's foot with the walker. Because he's the worst person in the universe. Ha 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 ha. Elmo. What are you doing here? Hello Big Bird. I'm gonna hurt your foot with the walker. What? No 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 no. Please don't hurt my foot with the walker. Well, too bad. Ow 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 ow. Elmo. How dare you hurt my foot with the walker? What's wrong with you? This isn't funny. That's it. I'm telling about your dad this. Yay. I've hurt Big Bird's foot with the walker. Yay. I've hurt Big Bird's foot with the walker. I'm gonna remember this for a long time. There he is, Louie. Your son hurt my foot with the walker. Oh. 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 Elmo. Shame on you. How dare you hurt Big Birds with the walker? That's it. That was not okay at all. You're grounded until the year is over. Now go to your room before I kick your butt. Wah.